Hello, Mr. Avai.
Hello.
After we meeting a few times with customer, now we finally get a new RFQ from them. So now we have to grab this opportunity. Let's do it.
Okay, Ken, I will arrange a meeting. Okay, bye. Let's come in for a short meeting. We have a new project.
Okay, boss.
Okay.
Boss, we have a new project, boss.
Okay.
Have a short meeting.
Okay, what meeting? What meeting?
Yes, we have received a new project for the new customer. So this is the part we need to prepare the DFM and the design. Okay. Still solid. Alright. And then they require for 6 cavity for this part. So we need to get the quotation from the toolmaker. Okay, this is the new part. So prefer to drawing. So this is the dimension we need to control the total length. This is the 120, and then also the total width we need to control. This is a critical point for this part. So okay, you can see the drawing versus the part. So we can use this is the dimension we used for the caliper to check. Okay, you see, is it okay?
Okay.
Okay. Okay, this part. Okay, this is the checkpoint for this part.
You need to use a caliper.
Yes. Okay. So this is a critical point, which is the control dimension for this part.
Okay.
I'll have to measure the mass function.
Then how about this
So for this
micrometer?
micrometer, this you need to check for this. This is the thickness of the water part. So this is the method we check the thickness. This should be under 1.8 mm. Okay, this is the method. Okay, this is for we control here the thickness. Okay, for this.
Okay, how many checkpoints?
There's I think there's a 3 checkpoint. There's a total length, total width, and the thickness. So this is the checkpoint.
The critical.
Yes, critical control of this part. Okay.
No problem.
Okay,
I can
okay.
teach my QC to do it.
Okay, thanks. So this is the sample I passed to you and the drawing.
Okay, thank
Okay,
you.
thanks.
You show me this data you measure, okay? So you show me how you measure this one, checkpoint number 1. Because this is a new approval from customer. Right? Just running for it. Show me.
Number one is 8.
Yeah, sure.
32.9.
2.3,
3 to 9.
3 to 9. Then your equal is equal
3 to 7.
3 to 7. Wrong. I mean you don't understand this how to check this one. Can you do it to this?
Yes. Already.
You show him how to check this one. I think training is still not enough. Maybe you need to get this HR training for training.
So this one, method. 3 to 7.26. This one correct.
Okay, I think we have to call this HR. Maybe we do some training, either internal or external. How to measure this part? I think better you call HR, ask HR to come here to the room. I think maybe we can arrange the training.
Hello, Pani. Please come to this room now. Need to short discussion regarding trading.
Good afternoon. Hi, Ani. Okay, we have a problem here. That's why I call you. We have a problem with our measurement.
Wait. Aris, come.
Because I noticed that our method of measuring is wrong. That's why I need your help to arrange internal training or external training to get a proper way of training from the PC.
You just email me the form and I will arrange the training.
Okay, that's why I will email you.
Okay. Thank you, Mami.
Okay, kita let me check schedule first.
Morning. Gita, you start regarding the shipment arrangement.
Okay, good morning, Mr. Young, and good morning, everyone. Okay, as per our monthly meeting, today we're going to discuss about our 3 shipments. Okay, the first shipment tomorrow, Amen, 24th of January. The production should be ready. One is tomorrow, another one is next Monday, and third one is Monday also. So shouldn't be a problem lah.
Marcel, can we have a short discussion regarding the payment that we're supposed to make to this Victory Marine? Because we have a shipment tomorrow. Can you come to my office just for a short discussion? Okay, thank you. Itself, because for your information, tomorrow we have a shipment for Monday. So the maritime Victory Marine asking the payment. So how is the payment arrangement?
Let me check and then I can get back to you immediately.
Immediately.
Okay. Give me some time to check, then I will issue the payment immediately.
I hope that this payment, outstanding payment, can settle before Chinese New Year. Is it possible or not?
Yes.
Right.
Yes.
Receive booking confirmation for one shipment. Target loading 24th of January.
Okay.
I will print the booking confirmation for you.
Okay, no problem.
Oh, so 100 million. 100 million. Good sale. 6-month bonus.